Hello and welcome to PM Tuning Racing Products. We're going to be embarking on a really special project in the next couple of months. We've got a Vespa GTS 300 which we're going to do something really special to. Now some of you may want to post some comments, let us know what your thoughts are going to be, what you think we should be doing or shouldn't be doing to it. I can tell it's going to be a pretty exciting project. It's going to be a bit of a throwback to years gone by. Now some of you may have an idea of what that might be. There could be some, well, let's just keep it quiet for now, but you'll see how this machine develops in the next couple of weeks. You'll hear a lot of background noise. I'm going to take you around shortly and let you have a look at what's going on in the background, so in case you're wondering what all that noise is in the background, you'll have a better idea of when we're doing the build what's going on, so keep posted.
Now this is the machine in question. As you can see, it's an 09 Vespa GTS 300. Just give you a quick walk around it. This is going to get modified beyond belief. Some really special things going on with that. It's going to surprise a lot of people what we can do with this machine. It's a tidy machine, in good condition. Most of the parts are going to get swapped out. It's going to be something really technical going on with this. I'll let you have a listen to what's going on in the background for a while longer. Yeah, this is the last time you'll see it in standard format. If you've got any ideas of what we should be doing with this machine, post the comments down below and we'll try to get back to you with a reply. Any of those ideas may have already been thought of, may not have. Let's see what all this noise is going on in the background.